Hello everybody, and welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. In this episode, I'm going to make a dish inspired by the 8 weeks I spent in Romania when I was in college. This is a really cool dish to do on a hot summer day. So come on everybody, let's get cooking. Here are the simple ingredients for the salad. You can see you've got a cucumber, 3 tomatoes. Now I want to make sure the cucumber and tomatoes have the same volume, so it's as many tomatoes you need to make the size of your cucumber. Some feta cheese and some oil. You can use any oil you like. We're going to use an olive oil, even though it says oil on the bottle. It's an olive oil. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to peel the vegetables. We're going to peel the cucumber. You don't have to peel the tomatoes if you don't mind tomato peel. My wife doesn't like tomato peel, so we always peel them. Now that you peel the cucumber, we're going to peel the tomatoes. Okay, now that we've got them all washed and peeled, we're going to cut them up into bite-sized chunks. First, we're going to start with the cucumber. Then I'll get the tomato to match. Now the cucumber slice, we're going to put it into a bowl. Time to cut up the tomatoes. Okay, now we've chopped up all the tomatoes. Oh, those look nice. We are going to put it right into the bowl with the cucumber. Okay, now we have tomatoes and cucumber in the bowl. And add about a tablespoon of oil. Tablespoon of oil. Next is come the feta cheese. This feta cheese I got is crumbly, already crumbled. The cheese we had in Romania was called brunza. It's one of the few words I remember from my time in Romania. And the brunza was really salty. It wasn't very sweet cheese, and I wouldn't say bitter. It wasn't very bitter. Oh, what am I doing? We're going to add about a half a cup of feta cheese into the mix. This is going to add your saltiness and your cheesy, milky, creamy type flavor. It's about, for this amount, that looks good. This is about as much as we're going to have. And this is why I'm not adding salt, because I'm adding a feta cheese. Now, Romanian, the cheese is called brunza. Now, the cheese is called brunza. It wasn't like American cheese at all. It was very salty. And, you know, Mediterranean style cheese. So it's kind of like feta cheese. Salty, maybe, it's not really bitter, but it's certainly not sweet. So you add that to give a nice little creamy texture and a saltiness. Now that you have all the ingredients aside, just mix it up. You should save all the juice from the tomatoes. That'll help it be a little juicy. Maybe the cucumber might add a little juice to it. And that's all there is to it. A very simple summer salad. Great on those hot days, especially the vegetables are already chilled. Make sure you don't save too much for later, as it's very good for a fresh salad, but as with most salads, it doesn't taste as well later. Alright, so let's go ahead and try a little bit. some tomato and some cucumber, and make sure to get that grunza in there. Fresh tomatoes, fresh cucumber, very fresh. Cheese adds a little bit of saltiness. You can add more salt if you like. And a little bit of creamy. It's a very good salad. Okay. Today's better than yesterday's.